So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel and thanks for stopping by. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about doing our drone work, building our small to medium drone businesses. And today is another one of those days for me where I'm actually taking a look at a project that you've probably seen on channel too many times to count, and that's the Solstice project. So this project we've been working on for years now. It's a 54 home custom home community in the Prescott area. And this build has now been going on since last October. That's right. And as I was assembling some things for my clients, some requests that they had this week, I just decided to go back and look at everything from the get-go. Now, the official launch of the project was January of 2023, but we actually had the opportunity to visit the site earlier to start planning for ourselves on what we would need to do to provide the best coverage for our clients while we're doing drone construction progression work for them. So we've talked a lot about drone construction progression work here over the years, and that's because that is one of the big things that we do here at azdrone.net. We really do enjoy setting up these larger build sites. We've got another site with 84 units going in and another site with well over 100 going in as well. And the drone construction progression reporting just kind of keyed in with me. And I will say, so what we've done for these clients is we've done time-lapse videos for them. We have done before and after orthomosaics so they could see the status of the whole build site. We've done 3D models for them, still images, and sometimes 360-degree panos as well at their request. So all of these things have been going on really since October of 2022. All right, everybody, we've moved off the camera and onto the screen, and we're going to jump right into this first, the title, From Blueprint to Reality. It really is that. When you're thinking about doing drone construction progression reporting for clients, you are bringing them to where the first bulldozer hasn't hit, all the way to where the last person has moved in. So drones have revolutionized the construction progression monitoring in like my 2-year project covering a 54 home residential community build out. The data transforms into videos, 3D models, custom web pages that tell a story about the construction site's evolution. And it is that. So this morning I was going through and taking a look at some videos from all the way back in October of 2022, where I found our initial site visit to the Solstice project. Officially, the Solstice project started January of 2023 and has run through today. But going back, there was some prep work. We always have prep work. And fortunately, when we first set everything up, I did some test flight paths that we set up in the home office and then tested on the ground at the project site. And I gotta say, we did a really good job of laying out the initial flight paths. So with just a couple of batteries, we weren't out there to do a ton, but with just a couple of batteries, we were able to set up some flight paths for doing orthomosaic models and 3D models by doing photogrammetry and then processing all of those photos in Metashape and in WebODM. And so we created two-dimensional orthos. We created 3D models with Metashape and Sketchfab. And all of these things got built into our CMI build, which I'm incredibly proud of. And in the end, we went from a blank slate all the way to what we have today coming up on the end of December and January of 2025. So that'll be officially 2 years. But what you've been seeing here on screen is a showcase of the timeline that we were doing this. Every 2 weeks we were on the job site. Every 2 weeks we were doing our post-production and finally our custom web presentations. And if you want to know more about all of this and how these things have come together, then let me suggest you stop by classes.azdrone.net, Right now, it's still the holiday season in 2024. So we are offering our 18 class bundle for 50% off, normally $275 for the 18 class bundle. Right now, basically $138, so 50% off. And in those classes, we share some of the projects like this one that we've just been talking about. We walk through the processes, and it's not just this one client. We showcase several other clients, and you can see all of that at classes.azdrone.net. Drop down to the class bundles, and you'll also get that holiday season discount for you. So you've seen it on screen, you've seen the development, and to put it quite simply, our clients are thrilled with this. They use this to showcase the property. They use this to pitch new investors for other properties they're doing. So just construction progression reporting is enough to where you can make a livable business. And then if you find a couple more clients, you can start working yourself ahead with your business as well.